If you're running into memory errors in Call of Duty, here's a quick way to fix it. First, close all unnecessary background apps, Chrome, Discord, Spotify, anything using RAM. You want as much free memory as possible for the game. Next, check your virtual memory settings. On your PC, go to System, and then Advanced Performance System Settings, and then Performance Settings. Then adjust virtual memory to be at least 1.5 times your RAM settings. This helps the game handle large files without crashing. After that, update your graphic drivers. Outdated drivers often cause memory allocation issues, so hit NVIDIA or AMD sites, download the latest driver, and restart your PC. Also, make sure the game is fully updated. Sometimes a patch fixes memory leaks that cause this error. If you're on Steam, verify the game files. Right-click Call of Duty, then go to Properties, and then Local Files, and then verify integrity of files. Finally, lower your in-game graphics settings. If your PC struggles, reducing textures or disabling ray tracing can prevent memory overload. Follow these steps and that memory error should disappear. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.